Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And look what I found over in my old freezer. This is a 5-watt marine handheld VHF FM transceiver. And the name of the product is SeaRanger Pilot International. And it's obviously a radio for boating, marine. Has all U.S. and international channels. Channel 6 priority button. 9 U.S. and international weather channels. 1 to 5 watt transmit power. Multifunction LCD display with night lighting. In other words, it's backlighting. Rugged weather resistant case, and a bunch of other useless information. Let's just open this up. I didn't even know I had this. Oh, there it is. Boy, it looks brand new. And there's the antenna. So let's get the box out of the way. Now we can zoom in a little bit. Try to. And move it over. And there it is. It's got a big battery here. I'm sure the battery is dead, of course, after sitting for I don't know how many years. But what's interesting is this battery configuration looks like the ICOM amateur radio handhelds batteries. And I think it slides off. Let me see if I can get it off. I said, let me see. There we go. Yes. This is the same battery configuration connections as the ICOM radios made for amateur radios. And I believe I have one of these cases that I bought as an add-on that you can put rechargeable batteries in, because these are sealed and you pretty much, they won't recharge, you pretty much throw them away. So there's a possibility I could get this working if I could find that case, the battery thing. So there's the connections on the bottom. There's the display and buttons. Got numeric buttons, and then a couple of them are multifunction. There's the weather button to get the weather channels. There's a D for, oh, that's got a little chip in it. The D button to dim the display. And then there's seek scan function. Display is quite small. I don't know if, I think it's LCD, so I don't think it's AM or anything like that. On the top we have, this is a transceiver, so we can add a push-to-talk microphone / speaker. External, oh, there's an external power connection. Whoa, let me see what that looks like. So it's all one piece here. Yeah, looks kind of funky down in there. I don't know if I have an adapter for that. Anyway, squelch, on, off, and volume. I don't even have it in the camera. Gee whiz, Tom, get your act together. And then this is the connector for the antenna. We'll see what's on the back here. Yeah, this is a model PI, which is the Pilot International. I did do a short search on the internet, and there are some of these on eBay for sale. There's one that's $10 and there's one that's $89. Pretty cool. Oh, this has actually been patched. Must have got dropped. There's a chip right there out of the case. So I don't know if it's functional or not. No manual. Nope, no manual. Pretty cool. I don't remember buying this. Probably got it at a flea market. I mean, a ham fest. It's originally had a price tag of $199.99. Sounds about right. Here's a serial number, it looks like, and a date. 3394, 1994 vintage, or thereabouts. It'd be interesting to see if I can get this working. I'll have to see if I can find my ICOM battery pack that I can put rechargeable batteries in. Like I say, these are pretty much sealed. Once they quit charging, you just throw them away. Well, dispose of them is the correct term. Alrighty, that's it. More stuff in my freezer. Gee whiz. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.